Today we are reviewing this Topdon BT100 battery tester, and I have some good news for you. This is also a giveaway video. So the good folks at Topdon sent me this one, but they have also agreed to send one to a lucky winner. So what we'll do, we'll have you comment on the video. I'll do a random comment picker, and one of you will win. And then you contact me, and I will send your name and address to the company, and they will send you your own battery tester. And I'll say, I really like the fact that this isn't one of those plastic containers that you have to cut. So is it bad that I never read these things? So without reading the instructions, we'll see if I can figure this out. This battery should be a good battery. Remember last time we tested, well, of course now it's saying it's got 10 volts. So maybe it does have a dead cell in it. And it's a 750. And it says replace the battery. You see the health is 0. So yeah, it's saying 9.5 volts and 24 cold cranking amps. So there's a cranking test and a charging test. I'm assuming that those are in the vehicle type tests. So yes, it's exactly as I suspected. You hook it up to your car, try to start the car, and it can tell you based on the cranking situation whether your battery's good or not, and then it can test your alternator by running the car and revving it up to 2500 RPM, what sort of voltage you're getting. We'll go ahead and do the cranking test on this one. Let me get it where you can see it. It's asking me to start the engine, so I'll go ahead and start the engine. And as you can see that, it says 1897 milliseconds at 11.89, no need to replace. And now we'll go to the charging test. Now it wants me to increase the RPMs to 2500 for 5 seconds, so I'll go do that. Excellent generator performance, 14.33 and 14.34 with an 11 millivolt ripple. So in other words, the performance was great. It's hard to really show that on the screen, but the screen is readable to your eyes. It's just the camera's having a hard time picking up the lighting. So yeah, this is a great little tool to keep in your glove box or your trunk. When you have battery problems, just whip this out and do a quick test, and you will be able to figure out if you've got a battery problem or an alternator problem. So like I said, leave a clean comment in the comments, and you'll automatically be entered in the giveaway to win your own. Also appreciate a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and please tell your friends about my channel. Thank you very much.